Welcome to the knowledge series and the easy way to basics of LaTeX. Today you are going to learn on Beamer. This is the reference book. Beamer is just like a presentation, how you use it in the Microsoft in the form of a PPT. So the presentations that you witness in the LaTeX, it is more sharp and more elegant. So what are the basic commands that we'll understand initially? In the case of a Beamer, the basic command with the preamble, that is the initial minimal commands that we need to know to execute the Beamer presentation, is the document class with the curly brace Beamer we need to type. So this is the very first command that we come across. The next commands, of course, it is you can use it begin document. So here in place of begin document, begin frame you can see, and the end frame, and there is a frame title is being shown over here, because if you want to show the what is the title name, then you have to type the frame title. And once you give the title name, say Beamer presentation title, with the author names and the date, and when you execute you will be seeing the results. Now this is one set of commands. Now just like in the similar way, we can have the different combinations, as you have already gone through my earlier video series where we try to create a bullet points or a text. All these things you can create in the Beamer presentations for easy understandings. So let us see the examples and try to understand how to do it using a text studio. So this is the text studio, and we will try to create some commands, and thereby we will try to create the results. So let us create the basic commands over which we can start. So if you want to start with the basic commands, of course, what is the basic commands, you are well aware about it by this time. That is nothing but your document class. The moment you type a document class, it appears over here, and here in place of class, that is the argument, you type Beamer. You have to type Beamer, B-E-A-M-E-R. So once you type this Beamer, then the next is what here, since it is a new class of a file, that is a Beamer file, so of course we have to go for the use package. So the moment you type use package, automatically the command pop up. So here in this one we have to type a package. We can create a different type of a packages. There is a PGF packages is coming, there is a Beamer themes split packages, everything is coming. So we will go with the basic. So we will type it PGF pages. So you can see the PGF pages we have created. Now this is the first set of command. Let me put it here as the first step. Now we go to the second step. What is our second step? Of course, you are knowing we have to start with begin begin document. So let us see here, we have a begin documents here. So we type with begin document, so automatically end document created. So this is our second step, and then we go with the next third step. Okay, that is third step, and we type here is nothing but our fourth step, that is the end step. This is how we have seen in our earlier. So once we start with begin documents, then this is there. Now our third step is a content, so we'll start with the content here. So what is our content here? We start with backslash begin, then we start with begin a frame. You can see here a figure is shown as a frame, begin frame, so automatically end frame is there. Now here we will start with learning on backslash LaTeX Beamer. Okay, so this is our end frames. Now let us run this frame and we'll see what it is going to say. You can see a presentations appeared, a simple singular page with a simple presentations. Now we can create like this some more. So let us take this one over here and we'll type here learning Beamer more. So and we'll run it. So when you run this one, automatically you can see the second page also appear. So this is a simple structure over which we can create different forms. Now you can see that just like in the Windows, you can create the presentations in a various appearance, various themes. So here we will try to use some packages. What is the packages? Is that we will try to create one more package in this way. We will try, because it's use packages, so automatically we can create in a curly brace, and we will type Beamer themes split. Even this is just a use packages we can use, and this is our use themes. What is this use theme? Use theme. You can see use theme, it has appeared here. So there are different type of uses. So let me start with Berkeley. So we start with Berkeley, and we will just try to run it, what it is showing. So automatically it has. Okay, let me time being let me block this one and we will run this one. Okay, we have got a presentation. You can see here the presentation has shown a blue face. The moment if I am blocking this one and if I run this one, in initial case what we have seen, it was a simple page, but the moment when we introduce this use themes, automatically it has given the presentations in this particular forms. So this is the form over which the presentations is going to show. Now here in these presentations, let us add some more content like begin documents. Let me put here title. So you can click here. So in the title we will write learning Beamer. Okay, we can put learning LaTeX Beamer. Okay, so this is one we have put. So once we put the title, then we will try to put a date, and we put the date. So you can see here date, and let us put the date here, and we will put as 01/01/2021. Let me put the date here, and we will put author name, author, with the backslash. The moment we put the author, automatically in the curly brace let me put as author. Okay, and we will once we write the title, of course we have to display. So what is the next commands? We have to go with make title. So make title, you can see here make title, it has appeared. Now we will run this command, and once we run this one, you can see here the Beamer presentation has appeared in this way, learning LaTeX Beamer. So this is the format over which this presentation has appeared. Now in this way you can still carry out, and you can add as many different commands. You can add picture, you can add bullet points, you can create a various forms of a colors, fonts, size, everything whatever you have learned in the through the video series under this LaTeX, my earlier videos, those things you can incorporate and try to see the outcomes. Now I will let me take you over to the different type which is being shown over here with the commands. And when we run this type of presentation, you can see presentation has come, list of content. We have added the list of content, it has appeared here. So when you have to have add a list of content with here, so here a section /sections, once you type, automatically this introduction will come. Then you always every slide you have to remember, every slide will start with the begin frame and end frames. So this is the list of content, so it started with begin frame, end frame. Next is this page. You can see in this page you have created a first you have got an introduction. So in this frame, what is the frame name? Frame name is a frame title. You can see here, it has shown here what is learning LaTeX, and you have created a enumerates with the numbering bullets, and like that you go to the next page. Again you created a text one, then you go to the next page, text 2. This is again you create. So this way you can create a different form of presentations. Now let us see these presentations also. Now in these presentations, what you are seeing, it has created a title, you have created a section. So how many sections you are creating? You are creating a section of titles. Now let us run this one. Now here in this presentation you can try to see is that one. You have created a different use package, different theme, that is Warsaw. In the Warsaw, the appearance, it appears in this particular formats. So let us see the Warsaw. It's on the top side, you can see on the left side black, on the right side blue. In the previous case we have seen the and the blue on the left side and on the top side. So that's how the presentations can say. So list of content, as I have explained before, and you can create images. You just created images, and you can put here a text, Sare Jahan Se Acha. That type of a text you can create. Then you can create again a bullet point, that is what. Then you can create a horse, and like that you can create even a horse you are creating, and with the bullet points. So like that you can create a different form of combinations, and you can make that one to appear. So this is how you can create in a different sections. And let us see one more examples. So here again you can witness the similar forms with the use package you have used, and with the theme Berkeley. The Berkeley is being used, and the rest of the things it remains same. You are creating a documents in the similar forms. So here very important things you have to remember is that whenever you are running a Beamer presentations, you should have a document class and use package and use themes. These two important thing is the Beamers and the use themes. This one, and based on the earlier discussions with respect to the first class. We have used the use packages. You have a different formats also. You can create depending upon you want which type of a pages, which type of a Beamer theme splittings. Those are the things. But this is very important. Beamer presentation and use themes. Based on that, you can able to carry out and you can able to create. More about it, you can refer the reference. With this, let me conclude. Thank you.